do a full face of lipsticks. I have so many lipsticks. Let's go, let's go. For foundation, I found this lipstick color right here from MAC. I feel like it's light, but I think when I blend it in, it should work. This feels absolutely illegal. Like, come through MAC because this looks phenomenal. For contour, I have this liquid lipstick from MAC. Since it's a liquid lipstick, I'm trying to blend it in as quickly as possible because I don't want it to dry on me. Okay, I don't know how to contour my nose. Like, what is this shape? Not the best contour. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna use this Fenty lipstick. It looks super duper pigmented, but I feel like I put way too much on. The bottom of my eyes are not bright enough. I'm gonna go back in with that MAC lipstick and really just brighten underneath. Dab it in with my fingers so that the beauty blender doesn't like take away all of the product. Guys, for eyeshadow, like, wow. Charlotte Tilbury lipstick on the lips. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, this looks phenomenal. What challenge should I do next?